Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Grilling with Rubes, and a warm welcome to those of you tuning in for the first time. Thanks for joining us. Today we're going to be making patty melts on Texas toast with a cheese skirt and smoked jalapeno poppers. Stick around, I know you're going to love it. So let's get grilling. So I'm going to start off by making our jalapeno poppers, and then in for the filling we're going to put some cream cheese. And if our cream cheese is not as soft as you want it to be, you can always pop them on the top of the grill for a minute or so. We're going to slice up our jalapeno poppers then, or jalapenos, just cut the end off. Okay, then we're going to cut them in half, and then we're just going to take out the seeds. Just get all the seeds out. Okay, good and soft. Actually, that's good. All right, so for our cream cheese filling, 16 ounces of cream cheese, sweet paprika, garlic powder, teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. So let's first give this a good stir. And into the mixture, then we've got a 1/2 cup of shredded sharp cheddar. We're just going to put the cream cheese filling right on the inside. And next we have our hickory smoked bacon. Start on the end and wrap it around. We're going to smoke them over here, and we'll let that go for about anywhere from 30 to 45 minutes. Now I'm going to get the rest of our jalapenos. I don't want to waste those. All right, so we got them all in there. All right, so it's been about 30 minutes. We're going to check on the jalapeno poppers and see how they're doing, and they look pretty nice. They got a little bit more time. We'll just let that go for about another 10 or 15 minutes or so, and we'll come back. And we're going to start with our onions. Okay, and then we're going to put together our sauce for the patty melts. We've got a 1/2 cup of mayonnaise. Very simple ingredients. And then we've got a 1/4 cup of ketchup. And then about 2 tablespoons of your favorite barbecue sauce, and then about a tablespoon of Dijon stone ground mustard. And then lastly, we got some grated jalapeno. Okay, and stir everything together. Ooh, nice, very nice jalapeno poppers. That's looking great. A little bit of salt and then pepper. I'm going to put a little bit of Worcestershire sauce on there, about a tablespoon. Get that little added richness in there. We've got 2-ounce balls right here of ground chuck 80/20. So I'm going to start out with 4 of them. And these patties have already been seasoned, salt and pepper. Whisk up. Perfect. Next one. Usually it's about a minute or so. You're going to start seeing the browned edges. Okay, once these are flipped, I'm going to go ahead and do our cheese skirt. So there's cheese all the way around. right in the middle. So we have our Texas toast. Now with a classic patty melt, you can use rye bread, sourdough. I chose the thick Texas toast style. So let's take some of these out here. I think they're gonna come out really tasty. So butter down on the grill. We're gonna put a little bit of our sauce on the inside of the bread. Now the other thing that we're going to do right here is we've got slices of pepper jack cheese. And I'm going to take the pepper jack and melt this right there in the middle. Okay, once that starts to bubble up like that, put that down. So we're going to start building our patty melt. Okay, so the bottom with our pepper jack. Wow. There we go. And of course, onions. Now let's slice into this. So let's go in for a taste. Man, a lot of crunch. Get some of that sauce right away and the crunchy cheddar. Awesome. Fantastic. I'm gonna try our jalapeno popper. If you don't like spicy, I mean, it is not spicy at all. The cream cheese was great with it. That was great. Oh, now I get the spice. For some reason I got the back end spice. Ooh. That's it for today, everybody. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. I really enjoyed the patty melts. They were fantastic. If you're new to my channel and enjoy what you're seeing, please hit the like and subscribe button. And as always, watch for my upcoming videos. See you next time.